So here I'm going to draw the facial features from a model. Make sure your facial features are, nice and big enough so you can add loads of detail. So here I've got my eye shape. I'm trying to address the misconceptions we've watched in the video before and getting the tone in here as accurately as I can. So I've got my eye going underneath the eyelid, so some of the circle shape is cut on here. The eyelashes go down and then back up, different directions depending on left or right of the eye. And I'm building up the tone here, looking as closely as possible on my model as I can. So trying to put the dark tones and the highlights on there. So I'm just pressing quite hard on my pencil. As you can see on my model eye, some areas are almost black, and I'm trying to get that really strong dark tone that we got on here. So my eyebrows overlapping my title slightly because I haven't planned my shape properly, but I don't mind that. Now I'm going to draw a mouth. So here I'm going to start with the 3 circle technique that we've seen before. So we've got a pyramid, 1 circle on top, 2 on the bottom, and we're building our lip shape across this. So just building the tone. The top lip is noticeably darker than the bottom lip, so I'm just translating that on there and trying to use some directional shading. So the directions on my pen strokes follow the direction of the kind of the little lines on the skins on the lip on there. Okay, I'm trying to put the tone underneath the lip on there, but I haven't got much space on there, so maybe you can plan your spacing a little bit better than there. So I'm annotated same facial features, eye and mouth. So now I'm going to draw a nose. Same 3 circle, 1 big one, 2 small ones, and I'm trying to copy the shapes here as accurately as possible and put the tone on to make it really look 3D. Just like did on the eye and mouth before that. So here I'm really practicing observing and looking at the picture and trying to translate that onto my drawing as much as I can. So annotation. And if you've got time, you want to get on with the ear, so try to carefully observe the shape on your ear, and same, I'm putting the shading on here. So all the dark areas on my ear and dark areas of hair around the ear is quite dark, so I'm putting that on as well and adding as much detail as I can to make it look 3D and quite interesting on here.